If you want to completely power off your Redmi 15C, so in this video I will show you two methods on how to do that. Also in this video I will show you how you can power off your Redmi 15C by pressing and holding the side button. Now for the default method, just press the power button and the volume up button at the same time and you will open the power menu. And from here just swipe up and select power off. Now just lift your finger, and by lifting your finger you will completely power off your Redmi 15C. Just like that. Now if you want to power off your Redmi 15C by pressing and holding the power button instead of the button combination which I have showed you earlier, as you can see, if I press and hold the side button, it will open the Google Gemini or the Google Assistant instead of the power menu. Now to set the side button to open the power menu, just go to Settings, then tap on Additional Settings. From here, just tap on Gesture Shortcuts, then go to Power Off. And from here, just select, press and hold the side button for 3 seconds. And after you do that, you will map the side button of your Redmi 15C to launch the power menu. Just press and hold the side button for 3 seconds. And as you can see, we have successfully opened the power menu. And from here, you can power off your Redmi 15C. Just like that. And this is how you can turn off your Redmi 15C. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.